So we're at the arrival corner of Suvarnabhumi Airport. So this is you enter gate 7, no? Entrance, arrival. There's a lineup of kiosks for rental cars. So we're choosing, no, what car to rent. Mura lang din pala, oh. Tignan mo, kaya 1,200. Pili pa ni Maya ano yung review. So you have Europcar, Tyrant. Ito yung nag-rent kami na ni-reject ng Klook. Drive car rental. Ito siguro sikat to, 6 rent-a-car kasi ang dami nakapila. Then Bizcar, Budget, Hertz, Avis. So located siya sa arrival, no? Not departure, arrival. Of course, obviously kasi pagdating mo, mag-rent ka ng kotse. Ng may airport information. This side is mga SIM, no? Arrival 8, puro mga if you want SIM ng cellphone mo, you go here. Ayan. May exchange din pala dito. Currency exchange. Okay. Magpa-change muna tayo, no? Because we're going Chiang Mai. Nandun yung car rentals, no, na portion. Gate 7 at saka 8 sa arrival. No, not departure, arrival. Then ito, mag-change na ako ng currency na lang din. Limousine area here. Okay. Then this is currency, no, portion.